Good morning, everybody. Last class we have dealt with tenses, that is present tense and past tense. And as I told you that today I will be dealing with the future tense. Okay. Now, what does future tense means? Future tense means shall or will plus verb. Now, suppose I write that he shall go to market. Okay, that is in the future tense. That is which is going to happen. In future tense also there are subdivisions like simple future tense. First we will deal with simple future tense. In this, just what it is, we are supposed to write will or shall plus the verb that will be happening. Okay. Simple future tense we all use to predict what we think will happen. Like for example, we will win the match. Okay, that is we are predicting. Next, to indicate an offer or promise. Like for example, I shall post this letter for you. Okay. Example, I shall post this letter for you. So simple future tense can be used to predict what we think will happen, to indicate an offer or any promise, or to indicate an instant decision. Means suppose we are taking some decision at this moment, like it is very hot, I will put on the fan. Okay, some instant decision, or you can say some at the moment decisions are taken, then also we will use the simple future tense. Okay, so all of you got it. What is future tense? Future means which is going to happen, that is known as future tense. And simple future tense, first is simple future tense. In this we use will or shall plus verb. Okay, the formula used is will or shall plus verb. Now, what are the different ways for the simple future tense? Is to predict what we think will happen. In that, we will win the match. Okay, we are predicting something that we will win the match. Now, second is to indicate an offer or promise. Suppose something you are indicating about some promise you will be making, like I shall post this letter for you, means he will be posting the letter for him. He has not yet posted, he will be in future posting the letter for you. Now in the third is to indicate an instant decision, means suppose we are making any decision at this very moment, we use the future tense, that is simple future tense. Like for example, I gave you, it is very hot, I will put on the fan, means he is saying that it is very hot and he will put the fan on. Okay, so simple future tense is used like this. Now let us come on to future continuous tense. Now future continuous tense, what is the formula of this? The formula is that will or shall, will or shall and be. Okay, will or shall be plus ing form of the verb. Okay, when we talk about will or shall with be plus ing form of verb, we talks about the future continuous tense. Now what is future continuous tense? Means to indicate an action which is over a period in a future time. Okay, such action which is there in the future time, we say it is a future tense, future continuous tense. The work which we will be doing in the near future. Okay, that is future continuous. Now can I give you one example for it? The example, let us see. Okay, Maria will be typing Maria, then will be, and now typing letters. Okay, now subject plus will or shall plus be and the verb is with ing form, so it becomes the future continuous tense, means the work which is to be continued in the future. Maria will be typing letters, or Tom will be cooking food. Tom will be cooking food. The work which will continue in progress in future is known as future continuous tense. Okay, now about the future perfect tense. Now future perfect tense, you all know the formula, will have plus V3 form. Okay, that is future perfect tense. Now why we use future perfect tense? We use to talk about an action that will have been completed by a certain future time. Okay, that means that we are referring to something that has not yet happened but will happen before a particular time in the future. Okay, which has not yet happened and it will happen in a future time somewhere. Okay, for example, I will tell you, like I will have retired by the year 2005. Okay. Will have plus V3 form is future perfect tense. Got it? That is the work that has not yet happened. Retirement has not yet been happened, but will be happened in the future time, isn't it? In some particular time in the future. So it is a future perfect tense. Okay. One more example I can tell you. When you come back tomorrow, when you come back tomorrow, you will have heard from your sister okay. When you come back tomorrow, you will have heard from your sister. Means when you will come back, you will, that is also, that action will be taking place and will be completed in the future time. Okay. So future perfect tense is clear. Will have plus V3 form. Okay. Got it, everybody? Will have plus V3 form. Okay. Suppose one more example. I think buses will have stopped plying or running on the road. Okay. Public air service will have taken their place. Got it? Now let us come on to future perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Okay. Future perfect continuous tense. Though it is not there in your this year syllabus, but yet I will be dealing with it. Future perfect continuous tense. Now in this, what it is, if you want to indicate the duration of an event at a specific time in the future. Okay. If we are talking about any of the event or going on, that is in future, that is future perfect continuous tense. For example, let us say I shall have been writing for half an hour when this lesson ends. Okay. The formula will be shall or will, then have been plus ing form of verb. Okay. I shall have been writing for half an hour when this lesson ends. Means he is talking that some duration he is talking about the work, isn't it? That is in the future. Okay. Now one more example. She will have been learning dance for 5 years by March this year. Okay, again will have been plus verb ing. Got it? So in future perfect continuous tense, future plus have plus been plus verb with ing form. Okay. So this is all about the future tense. Present tense we have dealt in the last class. Past tense we have dealt, and in this class I dealt with the future perfect or future tense. Okay. So all the three tenses should be clear. You must make a table. You must make a table of all the charts. That will help you in learning it. Okay. Okay. Now let us come on to the practice book. Let us discuss something from your exercises. This is page number 6, worksheet B. Now first one, Tanmay collects a lot of dry leaf. Second one, Tanmay is collecting. Okay. The third one, are slashing, but now they are slashing. Now the fourth one, software engineers usually works. Fifth one, Dhruv owns. Now the sixth one, you look fit these days. Are you going to aerobic classes? Now the seventh one, I am not going to any aerobic class. I just go for a morning walk regularly. Now the eighth one, no, she is having her bath. Okay, so worksheet B, all of you have seen. Now I will be sending you the picture in your WhatsApp, but at present you can check your answers. Now let us come on to the next exercise. Now let us come on to page number 9, worksheet 5. Here you have to fill up with simple past tense. So long ago there was. Then, but the birds who lived. Then they wanted to eat grains. Fourth one morning the birds saw. Next one, They sat. Then the next one, two bird catchers rushed out from the nearby bushes and threw a huge net. Threw. Okay. Now the next worksheet, that is a B. You have to fill up with the past continuous tense. Okay. Past continuous means was or were plus ing form of the verb, whatever it is given. So the first one, it was raining heavily and Manan was sneezing continuously. Mother was making herbal tea for him and I was trying to concentrate on my work, but Manan's loud sneezing was disturbing me. As a child, Smriti was always complaining. Now next, the day was getting brighter and Shruti was still sleeping in her bed. She was in fact snoring. Now the last paragraph. The minister was delivering his speech, but people was hardly listening. Some of them were talking to one another, while others were simply enjoying a quick nap. So this exercise is clear to everybody. Worksheet 4, A and B of page number 9. I will be giving you the snaps in your WhatsApp group. You are supposed to write down either in your book or in your copies. Same copy will be there for your question answers as well as practice book. Okay. Work should be done. Now the next. Now let us come on to worksheet 6, page number 10. Here you have to fill up with either simple past or past continuous tense. Okay. So let us start. First one, Ekta dropped her purse accidentally while she was boarding the metro. Second one, I was telling a story to my daughter when the guest arrived. Third one, when the thief realized that the policeman was looking at him, he ran away. Okay. Now next one, just as I was going out of the office, it started raining. Fifth one, my fever was getting worse, so I went to a doctor. So all of you got worksheet 6. Question number B. Now next page, the continuation of this only. That is the sixth one. Jyoti fractured her hand while she was holidaying in Jaipur. Okay. Now the next one. I saw the Eiffel Tower when I was staying. Okay. Now the next one. When the principal came, everybody was making mischief. The girls sang songs loudly and the boys were making paper balls. Got it? This is worksheet 6. Now come on to the worksheet 7. Here you have to fill with the present perfect tense. So present perfect tense either has or have plus V3 form. Okay. So the first one, my parents have agreed. My parents have agreed. Okay. The second one, the teacher has called. Now the next one, Vikram has got. Next, Rahul has fallen. Okay. Now the next one, prices of the basic commodities have risen sharply over the last 2 months, although the government has taken. Okay. Now the sixth one, have you found your mobile phone? No. Have you seen it anywhere? Now the next one, I have finished. Okay. And the last one again, I have stayed. So all of you got it? Worksheet 7. Now worksheet 8 is for your homework. You will do it in your book or copy. I just want to revise once. I knew him since his childhood. It will be I have known him. Okay. Now the next one, various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists made our life extremely comfortable. Now the answer will be various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists. It will be have made. Okay. Have made our lives extremely comfortable. Now the fourth one, Delhi Metro made commuting a comfortable experience for the people. It will be Delhi Metro have made. Now the fifth one, Dr. Lenin of France, it will be has invented the stethoscope in 1860. It will be had invented. Then the next one, the invention of the stethoscope has actually happened accidentally. It will be was actually. And the last one, the state government built 7 new flyovers recently to tackle the increasing traffic. It will be the state government have built. Okay. Now this worksheet 8, you are supposed to do it for your homework. Then page 13 also you will be doing it for your homework. Now in worksheet 9, it is past perfect tense. So past perfect tense will be had plus V3 form. Whatever verb is given over there, it will be had plus V3 form of the verb. So I hope you all will be writing it down. For example, first one, had promised. Okay, had, next one, had cleaned. So same way you will complete it. Got it? Now the next is either simple past or past perfect. This I will deal with you just now. Now let us come on to page number 15, worksheet B, where you have to write down simple past or past perfect. Now Chunni was a very clever girl who always studied hard and obeyed her elders. Who always studied hard and obeyed her elders. One day, when her mother went to the market, one day, when her mother went to the market, Chunni sat down to do her homework. Suddenly, she smelled smoke. When she looked out of the window, she saw that there was a fire in the friend's house. Her friend's family had gone out of station. Chunni thought fast. She remembered that her teacher had taught her a lesson on useful services such as the police station, fire brigade, hospital, etc. She knew the phone numbers of the fire brigade well because her daddy had made her remember these numbers. Chunni quickly called the fire station and requested for help. The fire engine arrived quickly and put off the fire. Everybody in the neighborhood praised Chunni. Okay, so once again I will repeat all the blanks. First one will be studied, then obeyed, then went, then sat, after that smelled, then looked, after that it will be saw, then had gone, thought, remembered, then had thought, then knew, had made, called, requested, arrived, and praised. Okay, so this is worksheet 10, and next whatever exercises are there, this one you will do it for your homework. Worksheet 12 B, you have to fill it up with present continuous or present perfect continuous. Okay, this also you will do it for your homework. Then worksheet 14, you have to fill up by the verbs given with the appropriate future tense. Okay, simple future you are supposed to fill it over here. Simple future you all know that what it is, so fill it up with that. Then next, do it yourself will be your homework, and the chapter ends with these questions. Now these all things you will do it for your homework. Some of them I have revised, and these all you will do it for your HW work. I will be giving you homework in a written form in your WhatsApp group, and I will even give you the pictures of all the pages which I have done today. I hope you all will be doing your work. So good day, stay well.